Easy there, girls.
Wow.
Wow.
What else you got in there, Books?
What's that? What is that? Ew. Ooh, it's a finger. What else is in there?
Look. Okay, but it's just gay.
Candy. Yummy.
Must.
Look at all those pops.
And I do. This one.
Oh, what is that?
You want some of those right now?
What is that?
I dump. Wow, this one. This one.
Another one of those. How many of those do you have now? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You got enough for a whole foot.
Can you count those?
1, 2, 3.
How many?
1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
No, we're the same. What? This one. This one.
Oh my gosh, another one. That makes 6.
6.
Wow, what else is in there?
What? This one.
Ooh, another Starburst. Do you have any of those?
Yeah.
Yeah, so how many do we have of those now? 1, 2.
Oh my word. Look at all those lollipops.
Yay! All right. Pops are good, huh?
Yeah.
Are those awesome?
Yeah.
What are they?
This is really good. These ones. Good.
This is cheese.